Two-needle lock-stitch machine is a specialized industrial sewing tool designed to produce two parallel rows of high-strength, consistent stitches simultaneously. Core mechanisms, dual stitching system. Unlike a single needle machine, it uses two needles and two bobbins. Each needle works with its own dedicated bobbin and hook to create two independent yet perfectly aligned lock stitches. Needle feed technology. Many models feature a needle feed mechanism where the needles move in tandem with the feed dogs to pull the fabric through. This prevents ply shift or uneven layers, which is crucial when sewing slippery or multi-layered materials. Split needle bar. High-end models often include an organized split needle bar. This allows the operator to stop one needle independently while the other continues, which is essential for making sharp turns or sewing perfect corners without overstitching. Common applications. Heavy-duty apparel. It is most frequently used for denim jeans inseams and outseams jackets and workwear. Decorative top stitching. Used for collars, cuffs, pocket attachments, and waistbands where parallel lines enhance the aesthetic. Industrial goods. Essential for manufacturing heavy items like upholstery, pants, bags, and car seats.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.